How to change the audio export settings in VN Editor. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it. First, open VN Editor, and here already load the project you want to export. Once your project is ready, tap the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. On the Export page, you'll see the available export options. If you only want to save the audio without the video, enable the Export Audio Only option. This lets you export your project's audio as a separate file. If you're exporting the full video, you can also review settings like resolution, frame rate per second, and bitrate. For the best quality, it's usually recommended to match these settings with your original video, instead of increasing them unnecessarily. After selecting your preferred export settings, tap Export and wait for the process to finish. That's it! You've successfully changed the audio export settings in VN Editor. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy VN Editor tutorials.